Welcome everyone. Today we will solve Peppa Pig jigsaw puzzle. There are 2 puzzles with 4 pieces of puzzles in each. In the first puzzle Peppa is playing drum and she is very happy. And in the second one Peppa and George are playing in snow with snowman. Let's start with first puzzle.
Hello kids, I am going to play the drum as I enjoy playing it.
Now let's solve the second puzzle.
Wow, snow. I am going to play in snow with snowman.
Come on George, let's play in snow.
Okay Peppa, let's play. Hey cutie snowman,